A box contains 6 nails and 10 nuts. So let's write it down. Let's say there is a box and this box contains 6 nails and there are 10 nuts. Now half of the nails and half of the nuts are rusted. So the number of nails that are rusted is half of the nails that are there. So that's nothing but 3. The number of nuts that are rusted is again half of the total number of nuts which are available, which is 10. So half of that would be 5. If one item is chosen at random, what is the probability that it is a rusted or it is a nail? So we want the probability of the item that we take to be a rusted item or it should be a nail. So this is nothing but P of A union B, it should be P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So this would be nothing but probability of getting a rusted item plus probability of getting a nail minus probability of getting an item which is rusted and it should be a nail. So that means getting a rusted nail, as simple as it is. So now dear students, what is going to be the probability of getting a rusted item? So the total number of rusted items is 3 plus 5. The total number of rusted items is going to be 3 plus 5, which is 8. And total number of items, as you can see, is 6 plus 10, 16. So 8 by 16 plus probability of getting a nail. How many nails are there? There are 6 nails. Therefore, the probability of getting a nail is 6 divided by 16. Now we need to subtract P of A intersection B, that is nail that is rusted. So what's the probability of getting a nail that is rusted? So we have 3 nails which are rusted divided by the total 16. So that's 3 divided by 16, and we can clearly see that it's going to be 8 plus 6, that's 14, 14 minus 3, 11. So 11 divided by 16. Therefore the right answer for this particular question is going to be the third option, which is 11 by 16. Dear students, I hope you have been able to understand how this question has to be solved. You just need to use a simple formula P of A union B.